Hi, I'm Patrick Stegall. I'm a Mississippi criminal defense attorney, and in this video I'm going to talk about shoplifting. Shoplifting in the state of Mississippi is a serious crime. It may seem like a petty crime, but it can actually be serious, and if you're charged with it, you need to handle it the right way, and you definitely want to protect yourself. Shoplifting in Mississippi can come in many different forms. Basically, first you have to look at the dollar amount of the merchandise. If it was over $500 of merchandise, then that's a felony and it's considered grand larceny. If it's under $500, it's a misdemeanor. Most shoplifting charges are misdemeanors, $500 or less of merchandise. What you're looking at there is a maximum punishment of 6 months. Now, if you're charged with shoplifting, doesn't mean you're going to go to jail for 6 months, okay? But that is the maximum amount of punishment. There is a good chance that you may have to go on probation for that period of time, for the full 6 months. Just depends on the case and depends on the judge that's handling it, which court you're in. So there are different ways that it can go, but you could be looking at 6 months of probation. The main thing, really there are two major points with any shoplifting case. One, obviously you don't want to go to jail. You may have been arrested and taken to jail upon being charged and then released and then you go to court. So you definitely don't want to go to jail or go back to jail over this, and you don't want it on your record. That's the big thing. Many of my shoplifting clients are good people, and most of them are first-time offenders. They do not have anything on their record. They have good jobs, and if this fits you, then you definitely want to keep this off your record. And there are going to be ways to do that. If you're a first-time offender and if you're looking at a misdemeanor, what that might mean exactly, like I said, it's just going to depend on the case. But there are some options. Mississippi has a form of diversion. They call it non-adjudication, or where that's supervised probation, or it could be some unsupervised probation, or it could be that you have to attend a theft class or pay court costs and fines. There are different options, just kind of depends on the case. But if you're a first-time offender, you're gainfully employed, you want to keep it that way, then definitely you want to handle that case where it doesn't go on your record. And I've been able to do that for, I think, all of my shoplifting clients, and I've handled a lot of them over the years. So for first-time offenders, I know it's scary, stressful to be charged, and something you've never gone through before. But get a good lawyer on your side, and things are probably going to be okay. It may take some work on your part, but it's probably going to end up okay if you do what you're supposed to do. So if you're charged with shoplifting in the state of Mississippi, I handle these cases all throughout North Mississippi and DeSoto County, Olive Branch Court, Horn Lake, South Haven, Hernando, other areas. I'm Patrick Stegall. Call me if you need help. Thank you.